Did Oumuamua come from an alien star system? In 2017, astronomers made an extraordinary discovery, the first known interstellar object, Oumuamua. This strange visitor from deep space captivated the world, sparking debates and intrigue. Unlike anything we had ever seen in our solar system, it didn't just pass through. Oumuamua left us with more questions than answers. Imagine an object so peculiar that it couldn't be categorized as an asteroid or comet. This was Oumuamua, an elongated cigar-shaped object that tumbled through space, its brightness changing every 4 hours. This indicated an irregular shape, perhaps like a long, thin shard, something no one had ever observed before. What made it even more perplexing was its movement. It accelerated, not in the way a comet does when it expels gas, but in a mysterious manner. No visible tail, no vapor, just pure speed, defying our expectations. Astronomers were left scratching their heads. What was it? Where did it come from? One theory suggests that Oumuamua was born through a process known as tidal fragmentation. Picture this: a large comet, rich in volatile material, is drawn too close to its star. The immense gravity pulls it apart, breaking it into pieces. The intense heat reshapes the remains, forming a long, rocky shell. And just like that, it's flung into interstellar space, launched far from its original home. But where did it come from? Which star systems could produce such an object? One likely candidate: white dwarf systems. These dense remnants of stars, surrounded by icy planetesimals, could easily tear apart passing objects. When they stray too close to the white dwarf, they break up, and some fragments are ejected into the vastness of space. The cold remnants of long-gone stars might harbor such objects, just waiting to drift into our solar system. Another potential source is planetary systems with giant planets. Think of a gas giant, the size of Jupiter, orbiting far from its star. These massive worlds act like cosmic slingshots, throwing objects into the far reaches of space, creating the perfect conditions for tidal fragmentation. In these systems, gravitational chaos may be the key to launching these interstellar travelers. But not just any planetary system can do this. It's those with multiple giant planets, those that create gravitational turmoil, that are most effective at tossing objects like Oumuamua into the void. What does this mean for our understanding of space? It suggests that the vast emptiness between the stars might not be as empty as we thought. Instead, it could be filled with remnants of shattered worlds, flung far from their origins. Though we don't know exactly where Oumuamua came from, its appearance has opened our eyes to a whole new kind of cosmic phenomenon. With future telescopes and space missions, we might soon discover more objects like it and uncover the hidden history of these interstellar wanderers. Every time we look up, we get a little closer to unraveling the mystery of the universe, its forces, its fragments, and the ancient stories of distant stars. The rest of the news is in the link below. Do not forget to follow and share. Information multiplies as it is shared.